In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate Samsung phone screen. As you can see, the Samsung phone screen is in landscape mode. Then you can easily rotate your Samsung phone screen when you turn on the feature to rotate your Samsung phone screen. And once your Samsung phone screen is rotated, all of the applications on it would be rotated as well. If you move from one app to the other on your Samsung phone screen, you'll see that the application screen is as well rotated. This includes your camera app. If you open the camera application on your phone, you'll see that the screen is rotated. Then if you click on gallery, then it should be on landscape mode. So in this video, you will learn how to rotate your Samsung phone screen. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to rotate your Samsung Galaxy phone screen is swipe down the notification tray just like this and click on this portrait button once, and it will change to auto rotate. And once auto rotate is enabled, your Samsung phone will work in landscape mode as well as in portrait mode. Now press and hold the auto rotate button. Once you press the auto rotate button, you should see 4 options available under the option to turn on. There is, if you want to rotate your home screen, you need to turn on this. To rotate lock screen on your iPhone, you need to turn on this. To rotate voice call screen, when you're receiving a call on your iPhone, you need to turn on this as well. However, you can also show rotate button on navigation bar, so you can also rotate this as well. So turn on this and then turn on this. For you to be able to turn on show rotate button on navigation bar, first need to disable the auto rotate function, then turn on show rotate button on navigation bar. After that, click on the option to auto rotate and turn it on, then tap on the done button. Once you hit the done button, then your Samsung phone screen will rotate, and here is what you're going to get at the end of this. So this is what you're going to have once your Samsung phone screen is set to auto rotate. If you click on the 3 dots at the top right here, then you'll be able to sort your Samsung phone screen application or have access to settings, and this takes you to your home screen settings where you'll be able to configure your Samsung phone home screen. However, since you enable show navigation bar on play button, now if you enabled turn on auto rotation in lock screen, your Samsung phone will also work, or will also turn on auto rotation in lock screen. So with this, then let's double tap it. You can see this is my Samsung phone in auto rotation on lock screen. So with this, you can easily rotate your Samsung phone screen. If you find this really interesting, you want to please hit the like button, as this really helps us to grow. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.